Guys, it's been a week since we did a proper unboxing and it's time to do one again. What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. If you're new here to the channel, this is a channel where we talk about sneakers, fitness, and anything we can connect to it. 1 week felt so long and I'm so itching to open another sneaker box. So without further delay, let's open this box. For some of you who watched our live stream last Sunday, I gave you a sneak peek of these sneakers. So this is another Zoom Freak one, another signature sneaker by Giannis Antetokounmpo. So as you can see, so it comes with your typical Giannis box and white tissue paper and boom. So guys, this is my third unboxing of this particular sneakers. Is it obvious that I like this pair? Well, actually I do like them, and I think this particular colorway will be my favorite amongst all the Zoom Freak colorways. Before we start to look in closer to these sneakers, let me give you some brief background about this particular colorway. This colorway is actually a collaboration between Paramount Pictures and Nike. The theme of these sneakers is coming to America, which was a movie back in the 80s, 1988 if I'm not mistaken. The star of the movie is Eddie Murphy, and that actually is one of the favorite movies of Giannis Antetokounmpo. Giannis wasn't born yet during the time of the release of the movie. However, I think he was able to watch it when he moved to the US. Now let's look in closer on the details of these sneakers. The upper is actually made out of this plastic mesh material, but underneath you can see this leopard print all over the upper. Then you will have a gold swoosh on the medial side. And on the heel, you'll see the number of Giannis stitched in gold on top of a furry material, which I'm not really sure what it is, but yeah, it's furry. It has the same material as you can see in the tongue, with the Coming to America stitch in gold. On the bottom of the tongue, you will see this gold embroidered Nike swoosh logo. The laces is your typical normal black rope laces. So now let's move on to the midsole. The midsole is actually in white with this enlarged reverse swoosh in gold. This translucent material connects to the outsole, which is also speckled in gold, which actually gives support for your lateral movements. The outsole has a lot of details on this sneaker, especially close to Giannis, and I've actually discussed this when I unboxed and reviewed the Old Bros colorway of this particular pair. I'll be posting up the link on top, so I hope you check it so you can see the meaning of all these things under the outsole. Now moving back to the outsole of these sneakers, you have the same I am my father's legacy writing on the middle, and you have the Giannis logo in gold as well. Then on the front you will see this Freak 1, and then on the medial side of the midsole you will see this names, which is Giannis' parents. And then on the heel, you will see the names of the brothers of Giannis. Now, I really like these sneakers because it's very detailed in terms of the materials that was used here. Not just like your typical basketball sneakers. And I think it's very, very unique. And I actually love the silhouette of these sneakers. In fact, for me, this is probably my favorite signature basketball sneakers of this time. As you would have noticed, this is actually my third pair of this silhouette. I haven't actually worn the other two, and this is my third one. But I can't wait to test them out and play basketball so that I could share with you guys how it feels on court. Before we end this video, guys, as I mentioned, we have already extended the Ultra Boost 19 giveaway. So we have 5 more days to go to reach the 1,000 likes so we can give away these sneakers. If you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.